Ko hikurangi te maunga, ko waiapu te awa, ko horauta te waka, ko paraurangi te whare, ko paraurangi te tangata o Ngāti Porou. The thing that I was passionate about were two things. One was theatre, and I didn't want to be an actor, I needed to be an actor. People actually took bets at the Arts Council that I wouldn't be able to do it because I had a temper, and that's what they were frightened of. But all those others who were not from Wellington, who didn't have to teach me, they said, this man has got passion. We need this passion. And that's what I realized, talent is not enough. You have to have the discipline to do what you're doing. So for 12 years, I worked really hard with the craft, went and did some television and radio work, but it wasn't enough. So then the next person who really helped me was Darcy Nicholas. And he said, with the art, we've got to change it. We cannot keep doing flax work. We cannot be doing this and that all the time. So he said, change. So we worked together, and he was the inspiration for me. And what he said was, why don't we get a group of about 4, 5, maybe half a dozen young Māori and see what we can do in the moulding of them in theatre. And I said, okay, I will give them all the skills, but if they don't want to be in theatre, kei te pai. And so for me, that wasn't to make necessarily people actors, it was to say, find yourself, find what you want to do, and theatre can actually help you get there.